welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some solar bubble lights from Geartist. These are waterproof up to IP65 and they light for about 8 to 10 hours of the day. So let's open up the box and show you what's inside. I really like these. I have some I just put outside because we're going to go back out later and show you what they look like. But they're very unique. Now, right in this box, you do get your user manual, which is just one page. It tells you how to put it together, what the package includes, and how to operate. Now here we have the light itself. There's a stake that goes into the bottom. I'll pull that in a second, but this is what it looks like. I remember when I had an old vehicle that I used to drive. I no longer have it, but I wanted to look at a gear shifter that looked very similar to this. So it's interesting to now have a solar light that is very unique, and I can't wait to actually see what it looks like when it lights up. I'm kind of excited to see that. So let's fully put it together. Here's the stake that it goes in, and then there you go. Now on the bottom you do have the on and off switch. It's pretty clear when it's on or off because it'll tell you. It says on or off on the side. And then you have the solar panel on the top right here. I'm going to put the other one together, then move the box out of the way. These do take about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight to charge. So if you happen to get your package near the end of the day, you still might have some time to charge them up for a little bit. But I do overall really like the design of these. They're quite unique. They're not like our other tiki torch lights we've been showing you lately. A bit different. So this is a pretty tall light in itself. It's 27.6 inches, and then the light up here is 1 inch thick and about 10 inches long. It's like 9.6 inches long, but it's very tall. So if you're looking to, you know, brighten up your garden with some colors and you want to stick it in there, you're definitely going to be able to show some color there. So I'm going to go outside, find us a place to put these, and then get back to you later. Alright, so we have all 4 of our new solar bubble stake lights in the ground. I'm really excited because I think these will definitely brighten our walkway and add a unique touch. Here's a closer look up at one of them. As you can see, it is very tall. It is very easy to move. You could just pick it up like that and take the stake out. I'm really excited to see what these look like at night. So we're going to come out around dusk, maybe a little bit after that, and show you what they all look like. Alright, it is dusk outside, and the lights just came on, and they're changing colors. I really like how they slowly change. It's not something that's like a strobe light or some flashing party lights. They just nicely, slowly change colors. Here's a closer look at the light itself. I love the bubble effect. It's very interesting, and it definitely sets it apart from other solar lights I have used. Definitely, if you'd like a pop of color in your garden, especially at night, these would make a great addition. Or along a sidewalk like this. It's a great way to introduce color and light and uniqueness. Now, I don't think the camera is really giving these lights justice. They are beautiful and bright in person. It looks a little dim on camera, but I assure you they are bright and beautiful. This is like a nice red coming up. Red is my favorite color. And it definitely rolls through a lot of the colors on the rainbow, so you're not missing anything. You can hear the frog in the background, enjoying it. Now, I really enjoy using solar stake lights. They're very easy to move around and very easy to place. So if I don't like these here, I can place them in my garden. Or if I want to add something else, I don't have to dig a hole. All I have to do is put it in the ground. I see a little toad staring at the light, so definitely nature is on our side with this one.
Hop, hop.
Alright, that's a look at the Geartist bubble solar lights. Make sure you check the description section below for more information, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching!